Hello everybody, welcome to another video of ACOnetwork, and I am back from the vacation. Okay, I came back a few days ago, but basically today is new video, so I am back with the videos. Okay, today what am I going to do? Android devices. You know, everybody had a problem once in a while that there is not enough space on the device, or how to back up an Android device. So, if you want to know these things, just stay tuned. I'll be back in a few moments. First, we need to uninstall, delete, remove applications or programs that are not in use, that you do not use it, or some applications that you totally forgot you have on the smartphone. To do that, we need to go to the settings of your device, or just scroll down and click your icon. But remember, all of these main menu names and icons and so on can be a little bit different on your smartphone. Let's look at the main menu settings. In my case, as you see, I have all these main menu settings grouped into tabs, but for me it's way better for my taste if you click those three dots above and right and click list view. So all of this main menu stuff is in one big list. Okay, let's go back to uninstalling applications. Just scroll down till you get to apps. Click on it. You probably see as applications or programs or something similar. And here you have all of the applications that are installed on your smartphone. On some smartphones you will see tabs right about up here. The first tab would be all applications that you installed. And last tab is all applications that are installed on the smartphone. But in my case, as you see, all of the applications are right here. Let's say we want to delete program like Emperor. Just click on it, click uninstall and click OK. Wait a little bit and application is removed. Roughly, we know actually three types of applications. Applications that you downloaded and installed, applications that are systems from system of Android, like Android System Web View, and applications that manufacturer added to your smartphone, like Google Chrome maybe, or something else. Remember that applications that you installed, you can uninstall. Some applications that your smartphone manufacturer added to your smartphone, some of them can be removed and some of them you cannot remove. And system applications like Android System Web View, let's see, you can just disable it or force it to stop it, but you cannot uninstall it. So basically, all of the applications that you cannot remove, leave it as they are. Don't disable it if you do not know what you are doing. But all other applications you can freely uninstall, whatever you do not need. Just one more thing, as you see under application name, you get how much space these specific applications take. Next thing you can do is clearing cache memory of applications. But what the hell is cache memory? I will show you example what cache memory really does. Let's open up Mozilla Firefox or any web browser, when we go to any website like Amazon.com, you see all of these informations on this website. But you need to know that all of this is saved on your smartphone, and some components of the website is saved on your smartphone, and all of this data is cached data basically. What that means is, let's say you close up Mozilla Firefox and tomorrow you open up again Amazon.com. Website should open faster because cached data of components are already there. A web browser needs to download only different data which is on the website than you saw, let's say, today. And that's the example of cached data. But cached data can take a lot of space. To clear it, just go to device settings and click storage and USB. Click internal storage, and as you see here, you have a lot of things. First is 26.61 gigabytes is used from 32 gigabytes of internal memory. So that means that 5.39 gigabytes of memory is free on internal memory. And if you look at the bottom, almost on the bottom, you'll see cache data. It is 88 megabytes large. If you click on it, smartphone will ask you if you really want to clear this cache data. Just click OK. And 89 megabytes of memory you free up. As you see here, I also have apps, images, videos, audio, other system data and so on. You can also explore all of these stuff. But just to tell you that, let's say .com, about data storage, that is all system stuff. But let's say for images you can go to DCIM and go to camera and all pictures and video that you make with your camera on smartphone, you get saved right here, and so on. Let's go back and let's click on apps, for example. As you see, in apps we get all of the applications sorted by from the largest one to smallest one. In my case, largest one is Sajik, and when we click on it, we get two buttons. As you see here, clear cache, which is grayed out, and clear data, which we can click. But remember, those two things are not the same. Clear data means that you actually reset this application to factory default. Basically means that is the same as you install application freshly. So all login information inside the application, for example Facebook, you need to log in again, you need to customize it to your needs and so on. So be aware of that. Clear data is good when applications not working so well. Next, it is good if you clear up internet browser's data, like cookies and images, cache data and so on. So just click on the, let's say, Google Chrome application, go with three dots and click history. And under here, just clear browsing data. Select what you want to clear up, just tick what you want, and time range, select what you want. Let's say all time. I want to clear all, and that is it. Under advanced you can check and uncheck what you want for more data to clear. And when you're done checking and unchecking, just click clear data. And now just click clear, and all of the informations are cleared. But remember, with that you do not clear passwords and bookmarks and so on. You can do that with other web browsers like Firefox, Dolphin, Opera and so on. Another thing is, if you use applications like play music, or let's say movies and videos from Google, like here and so on. All of these applications, let's say for example you listen some music, and this music actually downloads into your smartphone and takes space. and after a while smartphone gets fuller and fuller. It takes a lot of space. So it is good if you delete playlists and musics and videos and so on, but remember that all of music and so on you can also upload to some cloud storage like Dropbox or Google Drive and so on. Till now we was looking around the applications and cache data and data of the applications itself, but now it's time for images, videos, documents and so on. All of these data can take a lot of space. So when you make pictures from the camera or make videos from the camera, it just fills up internal memory. And it is good if you have, let's say, external flash drive. Some smartphones have a capability of adding memory card. You can also connect your smartphone to a computer and copy all the files, all the data from smartphone to a computer and so on, just to back up all of the data. In this case I use this application, SF File Explorer. With this application you can do a lot of stuff. As you see here, I have internal storage and I have SD card. 17.35 gigabytes is used in internal storage and 19.31 gigabytes is used in SD card that I added afterwards. But you can also connect external USB flash drive, some card reader and so on, but you need to know if your smartphone supports that option. USB OTG. The easiest way is to install one very simple, very useful application named USB OTG Checker. Just install it, open it, and as you see, Android OTG USB is supported. Great! And now we can go to the, let's say, SF File Explorer, and I can connect via USB adapter, USB flash key. And SF File Explorer already asked me if I want to use this SF File Explorer as default. I will click just OK. And as you see here, I have USB 1002, which have 8 gigabytes of size and it is practically empty. If you click on it, you need to click USB storage, and inside I have only this one folder. I want to delete it, just click on it, hold, and when it's checked, just click delete, click OK. And USB key is empty. Now just swipe from left to right or just click home on the top, and let's say I want to copy some images that I created with my camera. Let's say go to internal storage and let's go to DCIM, go to camera, and now you can select multiple files by clicking and holding the first one, so you can see checkbox, green check circle on the end, and then just click all the other files you want to select. Other way is just to go to the end of the file you want to select, just click and release, but you need to click on the circle, not on the image itself, because when you click on image it will automatically ask you with what application you want to open this specific file. But I will go back and just select, let's say, this image and this video and this video. If you see below, I can copy, I can cut, I can delete, I can rename, and if you click more you have many other options. but I will just click copy. And now, as we did before, we already opened USB storage in the third tab, but if you did not, just go home or swipe and just click USB. But if you open USB again and you already opened USB before, it will just go double. I will close this tab and just go to the tab that I already opened before, and now I can just create new folder. Let's say backup, click OK, go into this folder and click paste, and all of these selected files will be copied on this my USB flash drive. But also you can click cancel to cancel transfer, or you can also click hide, and you can go back and click on the applications and search the storage and so on, and all of transfer will continue run on the background, as you see when you scroll down, and here you see copying. But I will click cancel for now. That is very useful thing, because with this application you can also connect to other, let's say, network. You can go to a LAN, to local area network. So if you have shared folders on your computer, and you can copy it directly to your computer. You can also go to the cloud memory. You can add from Dropbox, Google Drive and so on. And that is basically for backup of these files. But remember, if you copy files, like when we selected this file and click copy, you are making a copy to, let's say, USB drive. But if you want to move this file, so this file will no longer be on your smartphone, you need just to select and click cut. So now when we go to the USB storage, let's go to backup and click paste. This image will transfer to your USB flash drive, and when it's copied, it will automatically delete it on internal storage. As you see, image is gone. And now I can select it again, click cut, let's go back to camera and click paste. Basically, there is a lot of stuff. You can also share these files. Let's say this image, select more, you can share with the application like Dropbox, or send it via Gmail and so on. There is a lot of stuff you can do with this application, and how to back up all of your data. But remember, back up all of your data, because if smartphone stops working, if it is broken, and you have some sensitive pictures and so on up, and you did not back up this data, you will most probably lose all of the data and it is gone. You cannot access it. But in some cases you can access it by going to some companies that recover the data from your smartphone, but recovery process is not cheap at all. And one more thing is, let's say go to home and clicking on storage, let's say downloads, every single document, file and so on you download from web browser, it saves in this download folder in internal storage. Now I do not have any files in here, but you can also select it and click delete, move it, copy it on some storage and so on. Basically the same way like every single other files in your smartphone. But one more thing is that when you go back to internal memory, you have here a lot of different stuff. Let's say Android. This is system folder that you must not delete. Call recordings, cam views, and so on. If you want more about these folders, what folders represent, ask me down in the comment section. I will answer you as best as I can.
That was it for today. Was it good? Not? Great? Down? Out? Okay. If you need anything, just type in down below. If you did not understand something or whatever, just type in comments below. Anyway, if you like the video, type down. If you want to ask me something, just type whatever. So, actually, now it's time just to say thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See ya!
If you like the video, of course, give thumbs up, comment the video, share the video with your friends, coworkers, and so on, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos.